Top news headlines. No threat to Manipur's boundary and integrity, says Chief Minister N. Biren. And knowing basic rights of children will help reduce crime rates, says Dr. Najma Heptullah. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA giving you the news in details. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today reaffirmed that the state's boundary and integrity will not be allowed to re-infringe upon by the Indo-Naga peace deal and appealed to all sections of people to maintain calm. Addressing media at CM Secretariat, Biren Singh mentioned that the Union Home Minister Amit Shah has assured to take all stakeholders on board before finalization of Naga political settlement. There is no threat to the state due to the Naga settlement, he said. Singh also mentioned the recent announcement by R.N. Ravi, the Nagaland governor and interlocutor, that there will be no separate flag or constitution for the Nagas. R.N. Ravi's statement came at a time when the Naga peace talks drawing towards a conclusion, with much of the contention has been regarding a separate flag as well as constitution for the Naga people.
Honorable Union Home Minister Amit Shah jina haigiba stakeholders sing tanadana khanadana mathaba amda tawroi haiba potuma yamna firmly categorically aikhoida mathajaba pirae prajagi Manipuri interest center na matam punamak da nga aga taraga lai habasi aikoi proudly haibangami Honorable Prime Minister na Honorable Union Home Minister na adu laiba central leadership na Manipur gi interest hokadaba thabak tawroi.
Commenting on the upcoming Manipur Sangai Festival 2019, Chief Minister N. Biren stated that the event has started attracting foreign tourists and has been a boost to the tourism sector. The Sangai Festival is Manipur Tourism Department's biggest annual cultural and tourism festival. He appealed to all sections not to give any disturbance to the festival. Biren also announced that his government will soon invite the Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, COCOMI, for talks.
Bomb bagi mi hat bagi kidnap tau bagi fake encounter gi adu gi adagi mayam du hujik loina tamna mang ba hora ba amna mayam pitribi gi mayam na Manipur da mihing sang ba hora ba matam sida festival sahi gi amat to oina stage si to festival adu ye thwe natraga adu tawre gaina tawbudu aran ba message ma sat ki national media da or global da tourism mayam ma sida laktana Thada foreigner listing matak dala hana sahi da sama satu lam bado Manipur gi miyam da amuhanna ekoi punamak sida phamjari ba aduga ngasi laktaba ekoi gi sarkar paijari ba koi mayam gi maikai de gi mayam da appeal tawjari ekoi ba thajabiyo ekoi ngasi haijari ba se ekoi central government gi ayaba central government gi commitment adugi makha da ekoi mayam da convey tawjabani.
Manipur Governor Najma Heptullah today stressed on the need to know the basic rights of children to help reduce the rate of crime against them. Speaking at the 8th Foundation Day celebration of Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights at the Old High Court Complex, Imphal, Dr. Najma said that children have particular rights that recognize their special need for protection and help them develop their full potential. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah expressed her belief that the Commission will help in countering and eliminating violence against children and protection of child rights in the state.
I am so impressed today to see 6 children who excelled in education from Child Care Institution of Imphal, West and East District, I'm hopeful that in future also childcare institution will be able to produce many talented children from our state. I would like to make a request to the Commission to extend all possible assistance from their side to book any culprit so that they are charge sheeted in the court of law as soon as possible.
Meanwhile, taking part in the function, Lok Sabha MP Dr. R. Kiranjan said that children will play an important part in bringing a change in the society. He urged the parents and family members to give children their basic rights to prevent unwanted incidents in the future.
Any kind of child abuse, thengnaba matamda police na madu ngasai pandigi bado sumiti balana child friendly oiba manner da lok tawiba reporting tawiba within 24 hours madu commission da yabon ba kholan ba laiba mayam singse aikoi anuba amendment sigalodana well aware oiraga phajana madu implement tawina ba. I humbly appeal to all the concerned so that we may have a brighter Manipur.
Kanglei Park Students Association organized a blood donation camp at Jenims today in connection with its 14th Foundation Day celebration. Around 200 people donated blood at the camp. The blood donation camp was held under the theme Kunaida Kathoklabai. President of KSA, Ningthozam Chetan, said that the blood donated today will help those who are in need of blood. He informed that people who need blood can contact KSA.
Kanglei Park Student Association KSA na sahi kuding pangthok le leba kunai de kathok I have a team asida blood camp asi Tram Rishuva Foundation Day Mari Lainana November ki kuntre ta pangthok kodoba asina maru oina akoina youth force amoina society da leiba amasung society da wa leba asi kitang mention mangam tardi haina kon pangthok sabani maramdi kai gino hamadamda akoigi leita laiba myam singna maru oina wat pagi akoigi cheteng nanglaba myam asida Kanglei Park Student Association na Karata Oshu, Akoi mention Bangamadi Haina Panguk Sabani, Maram Asina, Akogi, Kanglei Park the Liberiba, Ichinau Sing, Maruma Pang Sing, Amasung, Liberiba Mipum Kudimanga, Karigomba, Idarka Taragadi, Keseda, Pawiro have a say, Akoi press media get through the hygienic.
In support of the Kokomi-led statewide sustained alert agitation, employees and laborers of HBS Construction Limited Pasoi staged an alert sit-in protest in front of its campus at Pasoi, Lamkai today. The protesters displayed placards demanding that the final solution to the Naga problem must not affect the territorial integrity of Manipur.
Kaibe yaroi hain phamjabani akhoi hoji akhoi sa se singnabam phawi pikhraba Manipur gi lam asida gi lokthokraga akhoi na lehori saruk sidagi hena chaw saruk ama mingona pitokhi gadra haibagi mipaiba ma leijai akhoi na pamadi Manipur gi ngamkhai si kaibe yaroi aduga masi kai na bida makta silakpa targadi leiba mayam se khoi siba bawo kiroi thawai bawo thagani haibase gi pangkhak sine khoi thamjai pandam se.
The Ministry of Home Affairs has sent a letter to the Punjab government to commute the death sentence of Balwant Singh Rajauna, convicted for the assassination of the then Punjab Chief Minister Bien Singh, a media report said today. The MHA took an in-principle decision on September 30 to commute a death sentence as a humanitarian gesture ahead of the 550th birth anniversary celebrations of Sikhism founder Guru Nanak. Based on the replies received by the Centre, the President can commute the death sentence under Article 72 of the Constitution. The MHA also decided to release 8 other prisoners convicted for life for their involvement in Sikh militancy as a token of goodwill. Now we have a short commercial break. Coming up next, NHT Global launches its new healthcare products.
do hayo. Kamaina state asiki examination da nang na top oy iba no ba. Ay na sukan no hona ba. Aduga position manung phawo chanda ba.
Larik yam na pahabana su larik yam na haigani mak yam phangani habde lan gani. Aikoi bu takpi tambiriba oza singdugi way of teaching and guidelines singdugi makhayam na ponbra na khali wahase sangdok naragomse. Ngasi ay na may paknise. Mukta Tutorials sa credit pizza. Mukta Tutorials. Handaki oy na class 10 na 12 thagadaba students singi revision class lakliba November 14 gi hauzaragani.
Center asida hena khudong chaba amana subject amagi course fee supna dagi lupa 3,900 na oigani.
Kaubiraganu Mukta Tutorials Kwakathil Mayai Koibi opposite Millennium Institute of Science.
Yang wad.
Sokthaba na loidi.
Wabdo koknaba rebalance.
Sokthaba do koknaba rebalance. Rebalance to haksang salt amadi electrolytes singi awatpa mekhatuna adongi haksang bu tagat tikna thambang amali. Rebalance habadi electrolytes amadi energy.
Smart Tutorial Center revision course for class 12 will start from 11 November and for class 10 from 12 December 2019. Run by well-trained and experienced board and council teachers. Concession for ex-smart students. Transport facilities and separate hostels for boys and girls available. For more details, please contact Smart Tutorial Center, Singzamai Supermarket, Radheshyam Shopping Complex. Contact number 8730-999-192.
Welcome back. NHT Global today launched its new healthcare products like Premium Noni, Omega-3 and Glucosamine 2200 during a function at Hotel Imphal. The products were launched by head of NHT Global, China and Asia Pacific, Helen Saga, in the presence of several other representatives of NHT Global. Talking at the occasion, Helen Saga said that the company has already manufactured various healthcare products with an objective to maintain good health among the people living across the globe. He added, the 3 products launched today will benefit the masses in terms of beauty, lifestyles and wellness.
Here and joined us in this celebration.
It's based on Nobel Prize winning research. It's formulated by a certified medical doctor, and it's a very powerful vasodilator. And throughout this 18 years, we sold 5.5 million bottles of this product. So it's a popular product. And if we go to wellness line, well, I think I will not be mistaken if I say that the all best seller is the Premium Noni juice, which has been sold on NHT platform for the last 18-19 years, and within this 19 years we sold more than 13 million bottles of this product.
Traffic on the strategic Jammu-Srinagar National Highway resumed today after remaining suspended for nearly 2 days following a massive landslide at Ramban district, officials said. The media report said, however, despite undertaking a major operation to clear the snow, the traffic on the Mughal Road with Skanek, the border district of Poonch and Rajouri in Jammu region with South Kashmir's Sopian district remained closed for the 7th day. They said the reopening of the road came as a big relief for thousands of commuters who had been stranded on the highway since Sunday afternoon after the massive landslide at Digdol. The 270-kilometer national highway, the only all-weather road linking Kashmir with the rest of the country, was clear of the landslide at Digdol around 4 am after over a 40-hours-long operation to clear the snow, a traffic departmental official said. A combined team of Bishnupur District Police and 31 Assam Rifles conducted a cordon and search operation at Saiton, Hiaikon of Bishnupur District this morning. As per reports, 150 individuals were verified on the spot. However, no one was picked up. Two drug users were caught at Sangayumpam, Nungpau Mamang Lekai last evening. As per reports, volunteers of Lamding Educated Welfare Association, Lamding Thawal District and Local Youth Welfare Association Sangayumpam Mamang Lekai caught the drug abuser during anti-narcotic drive being conducted in the area. They were identified as Laishram Boinao, S29 of Lamding, Cherarpur, and Thangzam Bikram, S28 of Lamding, Kumanthem Lekai. The two youth were later handed over to their respective family member after giving proper advice. As a part of its annual humanitarian activities, members of Imphal West BDF Welfare Association today extended financial assistance of ₹1 lakh to the wife of a deceased BDF personnel during a simple function at the conference hall of Imphal West Superintendent of Police. It may be mentioned that the BDF personnel, late Moirang Them Kiran, son of Moirang Them Maimu of Sekmaijin, Hangun Awang Lekai, Mayang Imphal, died on October 23 last.
Pikre ngasi gi siga train thoi su bune khoina pijarisi adu matung da dinga sigi matung da gidi akhu on duty da sokpa yarok pa matam da su khoi lupa lising manga akhu gi welfare association Imphal West district BD welfare association na Imphal West ida lai riba BD ama kari guma on duty da sokpa taraga di lupa lising manga khoi mateng pangani aduga seriously solak pa taraga di ma gi medical report ki matungina lupa lising tara masu khoi mateng pangani haibo pham simasu khoi kenoda press media ai khudong saba lawraga thamjari district asalaiba akoi bidep isin naw khuding mangna yamna discipline amadi respect laina akoi mayam gi law and order ngak pade khoi asobo thodang lomina si aduga cooperation laina mayam gi cooperation phangna khoi thapuk tomina si haibo famsi welfare association gi maikai degi thamjari.
On completing its 60 years of establishment, Singarwan High School of Kasar District, Assam celebrated the Diamond Jubilee at the school premises. Deputy Commissioner of Kasar, Laya Madhuri IAS, Organizing Committee Chairman Y. Nadia Chand Singha, and Headmaster of Singarwan High School, K. Champalan Singha, attended the function. Talking to media on the sidelines of the event, K. Champalan Singha informed that the celebration will be a three-month-long event, which will witness various competitions like drawing, extempore speech, recitation, and quiz. One person died following a major road accident that took place last evening at Uripok, Yambem Lekai, Imphal. As per reports, the deceased has been identified as Tolsto Ningthausam, as 22 years, from Uripok, Taurangbam Lekai, Imphal. As per reports, Tolsto died on the spot. However, the driver escaped unhurt. Social worker Thongam Santi Singh, with assistance from Moirang Progressive Front, donated essential items to an all-girl madrasa Jamia Habibia wa Darul Yatamalil Banat of Kwakta, Kuman Gram Panchayat under Bishnupur district. Social worker Thongam Santi and General Secretary of the Front, Uttam Kumar Mairimbam, handed over 2 water storages, 6 plastic mats, 4 wire coals, 20 LED bulbs, and 6 buckets for the madrasa.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯦꯜꯂꯣ ꯀꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪꯗ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯟꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯉꯝꯈꯩ ꯉꯥꯛꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯏꯕ ꯂꯥꯟ ꯃꯔꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯁꯛꯇꯝ ꯀꯥꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟꯗꯨꯗꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯝꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯤꯖꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯛꯇꯝꯗ ꯁꯥꯒꯠꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟꯗꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯔꯒ ꯄꯤꯖꯔꯤꯕ.
And now let's have another short commercial break. Do stay tuned for more updates.
To Sure Success Coaching Center, Nagamapal Rims Road Corner. Admission open for revision course and foundation course. Foundation class for class 9, 10, 11 and 12. Revision class for class 10 and 12. CBSE, BOSEM and COSEM. Starting from 12 December 2019 and 18 March 2020. Class timing morning 4:30 am to 7:30 am. Evening 4:30 pm to 8 pm. Available hostel for both boys and girls. Van services daycare boarding from class 6 to 12. Day boarding timing 9 am to 8 pm. For more details, please contact 9856331259.
Classic Hospitality Training Institute, a unit of Babina Healthcare and Hospitality Industries Private Limited, initiated by Classic Group of Hotels, brings exciting short-term course. 3 months course in front office operations, 3 months course in food and beverages service operations, 45 days course in personality development and soft skills. Eligibility 12 pass and 18 years to 30 years. Fee structure rupees 15,000 for 3 months and rupees 10,000 for 45 days training. 100% placement assistance with free uniform and study material. Please contact Classic Hospitality Training Institute, Center 1, Babina Diagnostics Building, or Center 2, Hotel Imphal by the Classic.
Welcome back. 6 Tripura officials have been served legal notice for stopping ration to the Bru refugee camps. Ration supply to Bru refugee camps was stopped by the center from October 1 this year after the refugees refused to return to Mizoram under a repatriation scheme, a media report said. Advocate Alijia Kabir Chowdhury, a lawyer from the Bru refugee site in Supreme Court, served the legal notice to 6 Tripura government officials. According to Alijia Kabir Chowdhury, there was an order that Tripura government could not stop the ration and caste dole supplied to the Bru refugee camps. By stopping the ration supply to the camps, the state government has ignored and violated the apex court order. The official are Special Secretary of Home Minister, Internal Security, Dr. A.P. Maheshwari, DGP of Tripura, Akhil Kumar Sukla, District Magistrate of North, Tripura District Raval Hamendra Kumar, SDM of Kanchanpur, Abhidananda Badya, SDM of Dharmanagar Subrata Kumar Das, SDM of Panisagar Lalun Nemi Darlong. The central government has decided it will not continue the refugee camps at Kanchanpur anymore. In Nagaland, a Jawan of the 11th APIR was fatally shot, reportedly in a case of accidental firing in Pugboto, Juneboto media reports said. According to the Juneboto police, the incident occurred around 9 am yesterday in Pugboto town. The police said that the deceased Jawan was cleaning his service rifle when it reportedly accidentally discharged, the bullet hitting the face. The deceased Jawan was identified as Havildar Ajo Medio. The crime graph of the National Crime Records Bureau NCRB points to a steady uptrend in crimes committed against children in Nagaland, according to a media report. As per the NCRB's latest but delayed Crime in India 2017 compendium, from 61 reported cases in 2015, crimes against children rose to 78 in 2016 to reach a high of 93 at a rate of 13.9 per lakh of population in 2017 against the national rate of 28.9. Despite the visible increase from a state perspective, Nagaland ranked lowest among the states in terms of incidence and was the only state with fewer than 100 cases reported. Only the Union Territories of Puducherry, Dadra Nagar Haveli, Daman Diu and Lakshadweep reported lesser cases than Nagaland. In terms of frequency, the then state of Jammu and Kashmir ranked lowest at 8 per lakh of population. Jammu and Kashmir had a total of 359 reported cases. The All India total of reported cases was 1,29,032. Meghalaya will receive only rupees 170 crore from the central government for building sports infrastructure ahead of hosting the National Games 2022. According to media reports, this was informed by Meghalaya Sports and Youth Affairs Minister Batandor Lindo. Lindo said the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment has decided to reduce the amount of rupees 170 crore only. Notably, on October 25 last year, Union Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment, Thawar Chand Gehlot, during his visit to Shillong, had informed that his ministry would set up one of the 5 national sports stadiums of international standard for differently able in Meghalaya at over rupees 200 crore. President Ram Nath Kovind today accepted the resignation of Shiv Sena MP Arvind Sawant from the Union Council of Ministers with immediate effect, according to media reports. As advised by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the President has directed that Union Minister Prakash Javadekar be assigned the charge of the Ministry of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises in addition to his existing portfolios, the spokesperson added. Mr. Sawant, the lone minister from Shiv Sena in Mr. Modi's cabinet, resigned yesterday and the party severed its ties with the National Democratic Alliance. Chinese President Xi Jinping effigy was burned on Monday during a protest against Beijing for encroaching upon a chunk of Nepal's land. The protesters hit the streets of Saptari, Badia, Kapilvastu district on Monday and chanted slogans against China, according to a media report. The protesters held placards, banners and chanted slogans such as "Go back China" and "Return Nepali land" during the protests. The protest comes after a survey report recently released by the Survey Department stated that China has encroached upon 36-hectare land of Nepal. The data revealed that around 6 hectares of land in the Bagder River in Humla district and 4 hectares of land in Karnali district have been encroached upon, which now falls in Tibet's Furang area. Similarly, around 6 hectares of Nepali land in Sanjen River and Jambu Khola of Rasua have also fallen into Karung in southern Tibet. And now we have sports news. Satvik Sairaj, Ranki Reddy and Chirag Shetty continue their stunning rise in world badminton as the duo achieved its career best BWF rankings of world number 7 in men's doubles today. Satvik and Chirag, who have been in fine form on the tour, rose to sport from world number 9 after their run to the semi-finals at Fuzhou China Open 2019 last week. Satvik and Chirag have become the first Indian men's double pair to be ranked inside the top 10 of BWF chart. They are only the third Indian pair after Jwala Gutta Balia Viti Diju and Gutta Swini Ponnappa to be ranked inside the top 10. 2019 has been Satvik and Chirag grew into one of the leading men's double pairing on the circuit. The young Indian pair won its first Super 500 tournaments in Thailand Open earlier this year. Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. No threat to Manipur's boundary and integrity, says Chief Minister N. Biren. And knowing basic rights of children will help reduce crime rates, says Dr. Najma Habdullah. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.